So here we are at the end of 2024 going into 2025, or maybe just even in 2025. I can't believe how quickly 2024 went. Can you? It seems to have flown past. And at the beginning of the year, it's time to reflect and plan what you're going to do in your business to make it improve and prosper for 2025. Now, I know many of you do plans, and that's fine, that's good, but how many actually stick to them? And how many actually are going to achieve what you want them to achieve? That's where Kevin and I have been thinking and are going to can help you here, because we are hosting an online transformational session designed for business owners just like you, ambitious. No fluff, no distractions, just clarity, focus, and a plan for serious prosperity. To help you gain crystal clarity on what you want to achieve in 2025 and why, it's time to take things to the next level. And here's what you'll walk away with: a renewed understanding of why you're in business, a powerful vision for what you want to achieve in 2025, not just for yourself, but for your loved ones too, and a step-by-step strategy to make it all happen. So when is this happening, I hear you ask? So it starts on the Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, online, with a session from 9 till 12. That's the first part of it. And then, to ensure that you implement what you've learned, we'll follow up with not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 9 weekly accountability calls to keep you on track. Yeah, for 9 weeks, we'll be there helping you to keep on track. How do I reserve your spot? I hear you saying. That's easy. Just click on the link below and then you can book it. Just one more thing. I'm sure you're thinking about this. What's my investment for this? Well, don't speak too loudly, because everybody will want to come and we've only got limited spaces, but it's just £99 per person. Yep. £99 per person. So book on the link below and secure your space quickly for our way to help you transform your business in 2025. See you there.